Within XSOL InOrder, business process can be designed in either the Flow Designer or the Tree Designer. The Tree Designer is a textual representation of the Flow Designer, and I can add new elements like stages to this area, and they will be visible within the Flow Designer also. However, if you choose, you can design directly into the Process Flow Designer. The Process Flow Design Tools design ribbon has a series of buttons enabling you to choose the different ESL elements to add to your process flow. Each button is a toggle, so I simply need to click on it once to have the power of that button. Pressing on the Flow Designer at the point you wish to create the new item will create it, and you can enter the caption for that item. If you wish to edit an existing flow node, you can either right-click and rename, or press F2 to edit the caption. Items can be freely moved around the Process Flow Design window simply by dragging with the mouse. If you wish to get better visibility on your Process Flow Designer, you can select the Arrange ribbon and turn on a background grid. This enables you to more clearly see exactly where you're placing the flow nodes on your screen. Similarly, if you are interested in producing Microsoft Word outputs, then page boundaries are a must. HTML outputs do not need page boundaries turned on because they will always add scroll bars. However, Microsoft Word outputs will look for the page boundaries and slice your process flow diagrams to fit the page. Moving back to the design area, you can add as many new items as you need. If you wish to select multiple items on your process flow, there are two ways of doing this. You can either click on the flow diagram and drag to create a box encapsulating the items you wish to select, then grab and drag to move all of those items at once. Alternatively, if you hold the Control key down and click each one, you can also multi-select and then drag to move. Resizing an item on your Flow Designer is also simple. Select the item, in this case the Enter Leave Request stage, hold the Shift key down and move the cursor to the edge of the stage. You'll get a double-ended arrow, and this enables you to drag and resize the stage. If you get in the corner of the item, then you will get the double-ended arrow and you can resize both sides of it at once. If you wish to return the item back to its original default size, in the Arrange part of the Process Flow Design Tools ribbon, there is an Auto Resize button.